Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the manifold gas supply tube in your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Shut off the gas supply as well. Pull the range away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. Open the oven door and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws securing the control panel's lower cover. Remove the cover. Pull off the 5 control knobs. Next, unthread the 2 screws securing the control panel to the frame. Detach the control panel and support it to avoid straining the wires. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the 2 screws securing the lower rear access panel. Lift the panel up and out to remove. Unthread the 3 screws to release the left side stop bracket. Repeat to detach the right side bracket. Now lift the upper rear access panel up to remove. Use an adjustable wrench to unthread the nuts securing the gas supply tube to the manifold. Use the wrench to unthread the nuts securing the tube to the regulator valve, and you can pull the old tube out. Install the new manifold gas supply tube by feeding the appropriate end under the orifice holder support panel. Insert the opposite end into the regulator valve and thread the nut. Be careful not to damage the tube by over-tightening the nut. Connect the new supply tube to the manifold and secure with the nut. Again, avoid over-tightening. Reinstall the upper rear access panel by hooking it on the tabs. Realign the 2 stop brackets and thread the screws to hold them in place. Reinstall the lower access panel by inserting the tabs in the slots first. Lower the panel and secure it with the screws. Realign the control panel on the front brackets. Secure it with the screws. Replace the lower cover. Then thread the screws to secure. Realign the control knobs on the valve stems and push them into place. Note that the power burner control knob should be placed on the second stem from the left. Turn the gas supply back on. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.